How to find fundraisers by orders notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find fundraisers by orders notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and now click here on your profile and then click the storylines in the top corner and then settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then just click this one, fundraisers, and as you see here you will find fundraisers by orders, and here you can manage it, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.